Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Did you know that more than 70% of the harmful substances that enter the room come through our shoes? We easily forget that harmful materials from our shoes through outdoor activities pollute our pleasant indoor environment. The TALTALMAT will clean off all of the various contaminants in your shoes. DIY TALTALMAT is the first daily protector for a pleasant indoor environment. TALTALMAT uses EVA rosin to provide excellent durability and wear resistance due to its high strength and durability. It effectively removes contaminants and dust from our shoes with a specialized brush structure. The contaminants are effectively removed and the removed debris is easily managed by an integrated structure under the mat. Designed in block type, the TALTALMAT is highly scalable. Designed in a highly applicable block type, the system scales and shrinks regardless of the size of the installation environment and is easy to manage. TALTALMAT saves you time and money with easy management. The TALTALMAT has been proven to be stable through formal testing and is a safe mat to handle your healthy life. You can create a variety of designs and shapes using colorful blocks to enhance your space. We will install the TALTALMAT at the entrance to various places to protect your pleasant indoor environment. Mat to dust off the unexpected dust and fill up part of your health. Now